everyone to another Tigs Tuesday, and today we are very excited to show you our brand new collection of Bylyse, and it is outstanding. So we are going to start with the Uptown group, which is the tan and navy, actually the tan color they call saddle. These little pieces here are so popular and they come in lots of colors. They're wonderful for underpieces. Just nice and light, little crew neck. So it comes in the saddle color and lots of other colors, which I will highlight as we go through the group. This year, this season, Lyse has done a new style of pant, a slimmer leg, seam down the front, and a nice little detail at the front of the pant, which is really nice with a little booty slash pocket. And you'll see that when Davis wears it, it's really nice with the little boot she has on. Next to that is the all-time favorite ruched turtleneck, which again is a piece that's been in every collection for many years now. And I will point this out as we go along, and it's available in other colors. So here's another example of one of her knits. Nice little stripe with a little shimmer in the front. And this is the pant that is also a very popular pant at Tigs, and it is also available in many colors. All elastic waist, nice leg. It's actually the pant that I have on. I think I have every color that she has ever made in my closet. And also has a slash pocket, and you can wash these things lots and lots of times and they'll never wear out. So here again is the pant, the new pant that is new in the line this year, with a little slash on the front of it and a little seam down the front. And then now this is a new fabrication for Lyse this season. It is what we know it as ultra suede. Oh my goodness, remember ultra suede. So here's a wee jacket, just adorable. Nice and short, nice little collar. Available in the navy. And also in this slim pant with the panel of suede down the front. This is a slim, it's almost like a legging, but not quite. And then in the same fabrication is another new style for Lyse, and that is the wide leg gaucho. And we have a very important customer that has already purchased one of these. She's crazy about this pant. So it is probably going to be one of those ones that is going to be popular this year. Again, the little basic tee is in navy here, and another little pretty knit with 3 colors. It's a little longer and longer in cap. And this is another basic that Lyse always does every fall and is available in lots of colors. The little mock neck. Also a round bottom, but it's so fine knit and so incredibly soft. So nice. Let me just see what the fabric is. It is viscose, poly, and a little bit of nylon, which is a really nice fiber to have because it always will keep its shape. And this is another color of the popular pant. The little slash pockets. Full length, slim leg, just like the one I have on. And another knit, fine knit up here, same color combos, just in a little bit different stripe. The ruched turtleneck also comes in the saddle. Now we are into another group called Knit Kit. So there's same bodies, same fabrication as the one before, and this is the coolest piece. Everybody likes an animal print. Lovely little cardigan. I've never seen a piece like this before because it is a short little cardigan and it is reversible, which you will see Davis wearing in the video. So it reverses to an entire black cardigan. Really pretty snaps down the front. And again, just like in the navy group, there is a little black jacket in the ultra suede. And it is also, just like the navy, there's the black. And she calls this just a faux suede pant. But it's almost like a gaucho. Maybe it is a gaucho. And just like we have already noted in many other colors, it also comes in the soft camel color, the little crew neck underpiece. This little top comes in 3 colors, and it is 100% polyester with a little side slit, which is nice and comfortable to wear. Anytime you see this little hang tag, it says knit kit. It's all washable and it's easy care and it's great for traveling. So that comes in 3 colors, and then next to it is this beautiful sweater that I have on, which I don't want to take off, but even though it's 30 degrees outside, it is so warm and cozy. It's wonderful. On display with the sweater that I have on, I also has the pant that I have on, and this is the basic pant that comes in all the colors that we talked about before, and it is available here in the soft camo. And the black. And the black is teamed up with a really pretty little houndstooth check. It's kind of like a sweater coat. They're calling this a new word, which is a coatigan. They put the word coat together with cardigan. So, new word, coatigan. And again, it is in this beautiful knit fabric that Lyse has chosen to do for this season. Under the sweater coat is another little underpinning, which we already talked about, came in navy. So here's the silver color and also the camo. Really sorry that there's wrinkles in the front of this, but literally we just unpacked this. 400 pieces, all from Bylyse. Wow. Cardigan. Now this is the little jersey, 100% poly, that goes with the knit kit pieces. This is a little bit wider leg, and there is also a slimmer leg for those of you that like a slim leg. So those are easy care pants. And also, this is kind of a nice piece, a little jersey jacket, blazer type. That would be really easy to pack and travel in as well. Wow. And then here's the ruched turtleneck that everyone loves in the soft camel color. And one more top in the 100% poly. Slightly longer, just a little bit of detail on the side with a little patch pocket. And Lyse has also done this piece in past seasons. Just very easy little topper to wear with a little turtleneck, so you have your sleeve below it, which is totally acceptable in the black and the soft camo. The last piece in our collection and video today is this beautiful soft camo cable knit sweater, cowl neck. This is the only piece in the whole collection that has a little bit of wool. In fact, it's just 5%, and the rest is acrylic and nylon. So everyone, that is the end of this Tigs Tuesday video featuring the brand new Bylyse from Montreal. Lyse is a gal, French-Canadian gal, so nice, and has worked so very hard on all these collections just to bring you the perfect pieces for you. And all the comments that you give to me, I forward them on to her. That's why She really pays attention to what the customer wants, and she tries to accommodate everyone. So we will see you next Tuesday. Just a special note about the Bylyse collection is that we have no professional photos. Therefore, we cannot post it on our online store. So if there's anything that you see in our video and you do not want to come in the store, just give us a call. 519-599-3547, or our email is tigstorethornberry@gmail.com. So that's it, everybody. We will see you next Tuesday.